Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to say hello and happy Monday to everybody. And wanted to just show the DC40 project that I did last year. Had some issues with it, some bad solders and some wiring that came undone. Um, and so I had it all apart. And I was just listening to it here. And let me turn it up here.
Very good. Hopefully you have a full tank of gasoline or diesel or whatever your car uses.
And of course, this thing's got no sideband filtering, so you can hear both sidebands. One's inverted and one's regular, so you can hear the other sideband also. And of course, you can't understand it because it's inverted. But with all the dual sideband or double sideband and receive transmitters and receivers that are out there now for the digital and even some of the ones that I've recently covered on miss.geek.com are single sideband transmitters, but double sideband receivers. And this is a double sideband receiver. It's got no sideband filtering.
I think that would be,
And so you can hear
to be on your QRZ page, but that's up to you.
hear that other signal in there. That's the other sideband. So I'm centered at 7140, but I can hear the lower sideband signal that goes between 7140 and 7137. That's the lower sideband, but I can hear the upper sideband too, which is 7140 to 7143. And if I want to actually hear that signal, I have to go up to 7143. And then I'll be able to hear everything from 7143 to 7140, from 7143 to 7146, and the lower sideband signal that's between 7140 and 7143. Anyway, so I'm hearing 6 kilohertz all the time, and that desensitizes the receiver, which is why you want sideband filtering. So anyway, just a quick video. If you want to build one of these. This is a really easy receiver project. I wrote a lot about it because I wanted to explain what all the parts do. But go to my site, miss.geek.com. I'll link to it below. And then also check out the DSB Digital Friend or Foe, and also the new Phaser article, because they go into more about the receivers and why the receiver really matters when you want a good performing radio. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good one, and take care. 73.